Welcome to another Ofour review. Today we're going to be putting the kicks aside and focusing on one of the most hottest fashion items in the market today, and that is none other than the TELFAR bag. This bag has been called the IT bag, the trendiest bag of 2021 and 2020. It's actually, Oprah puts it as one of her favorite things in 2020. It's worn by stars all over the world, like Dua Lipa. You have the Real Housewives of New York City, Sonia, oh, I don't watch that show. Sonia Morgan of Real Housewives of New York City. She carries this bag around. It's definitely the hottest item of the year. First, some background. So the brand is owned by a Black Liberian American named TELFAR Clemens. And he wanted to design back in 2004, he launched the company and he wanted to have something that's a unisex brand that is kind of a trendsetter in the industry. But to do so at a time in 2004 was a little bit tricky, but as trends started to grow into the unisex world, it definitely and obviously blew up and became a huge matter. So TELFAR bag was designed by TELFAR Clemens and his good friend and creative director Babak Radboy, and that's how the bag came to be. I think it came out in about 2014. So this bag has been around for a while, but only recently gained a lot of popularity. So the bag being as popular as it is, in fact, that has affected its availability. So every time there's a new launch, much like the sneaker industry, whenever there's a new launch, websites crash. But through an investigation done by TELFAR and his company, they found that it's not bots that are actually crashing the website, it's actual human demand. Much unlike the sneaker industry, where you just have it swarmed with bots trying to cop the newest release. But in essence, this has become fashion's hottest product, starting in 2020 and still continuing into 2021. The TELFAR brand has been continuously growing for both, appealing to both men and women. And in fact, TELFAR is starting to now expand into different areas. He's adding other branches within the company to include streetwear as well. So if you look at their website, you'll see the different availability of products and everything. Though availability may not be as much of an issue if you're trying to order from Ofour, I think we can probably cop it a lot better and a lot faster for you than through the TELFAR website. I mean, not to say that you should not look at their website though. I mean, we don't want to be those kind of people. But essentially, if you want to be at the pinnacle of fashion trends today, this is the item that you're going to need. It's a must-have if you're one of the people that want to make sure that you're looking your best and you're keeping up the trend. And you can get it right here at ofour.com. And that's it from me today. So next week we'll be showcasing and reviewing a new product for you. Until then, I'll see you.